Hey, what's going on, guys? Boss Fiber here, back to another video. Today, we are going to be playing Subway Surf. And it's going to take a while to load. Oh, and here recently, I just got a new tablet. It's charging right now. But I'll probably start recording videos on that pretty soon. Because now that I have a tablet, my sister's going to want to play my phone all the time. Okay. Starting off with a lot of oh, I missed this. I missed this record app. I just recorded like 2 videos on my tablet, but something happened to them. And then oh, what happened? After that, I tried like 5 more times. And since I was used to that screen recorder, I forgot about the dot on the screen. I was like, wait, what's going on? Then I realized it was the dot. And this screen recorder, I can actually put it in 180p as the 180p HD instead of having it at 320p like I can for the other. So this one's way better. It's been a while since I've played, so not that good. But after I went to jackpot. Oh, they changed it from 900,000 to 100,000. Spike's guitar. Okay. So let's get that. As you can see, I've been saving up coins. I want to get. Hang on, boards. Hang on. I want to get this board, but I don't have enough yet. There's a bunch of boards I could get already. Oh, sorry. Ooh. Watch an ad for this. Just gotta load first. That one's fast. I don't really like speed. Zap sideways, that's pretty cool. Speed up. Super jump. I could get that. Well, when we go back to characters, what is it telling me about this character? I'll probably buy a bunch of the characters already. Yeah, pretty much every character on here I could buy. Not all together, just one at a time. Hang on real quick, run into the side of the thing. I want to see something real quick. Nope, no boost. No boost. My tour. Weekly hunt. Shop, not shop. No, me. Awards. Boost your run and show off. Pick up 1,200 power-ups. Own 5 boards. I could do that now if I wanted to, but I'm saving up for a certain board, so I can't. Okay, so I got this, and I hit the thing. What train are you gonna throw at me? Ooh, is that a mystery box back there? Nope, it's jetpack, even better. Get all the coins. Get as many coins as possible. And under that, left, not right. Left, back right. Right, left, right, left. Oh, I need to collect 40 of those. Just because I'm gonna get the hoverboard. Because I feel like it. I have too many of them. Not really too many. Dang it, I messed up. I usually go like that, then do the jump so I can get more coins. I knew I'd mess up. I'm gonna go to this side. Left, that way. Flip. I'm not gonna use my keys just because I feel like saving them. How long have I been recording? 5 minutes. Okay. So. Let's see. What is this? Oh, the anniversary special. Okay. I'm gonna wait for the ad to load. If it will. Okay, I'll do that off camera just because it's gonna take forever. You know what? I'm gonna get this, you know what? Forget the other board. I'm gonna get this one just because it's cool. Let's look at it. Oh yeah, speed up. In some cases, that speed up is good, and some it's bad. When you get to the places where it gets really tight, like you have to be like going, oh, left, right, duck, up, jump, down, up, left, like when you're literally just randomly doing it just because you don't know which one to do. That was gonna be pretty bad, but in an open space like this, it's pretty good. Wow. Okay, I think if I can last a long time on this, I'll do one more, and if I last a short time on that one, I'll do another one. Okay, can do this. Just gotta get away from the cat. Get the bouncy shoe. Oh my god. I don't know if you saw that. Well, of course you did, because you can see the thing. You saw me swipe, and the character didn't move, right? See, it did it again. Okay. I'm gonna go again. Just because it wasn't moving when I told it to. Get the shoe. Oh, I went down before I got him. Went down too fast. Whee! Whee! Let's go. Gonna last a long time on this. Up, jump, and down and left. Yes, jetpack. Yes, a long straight line of coins. I like when that happens with the jetpack. So then you get the most coins possible, pretty much. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Jump. Go, go, go. Gosh, I'm getting some lag. I don't know. Well, of course, never mind. Just getting some extreme lag here. Extreme. That was my mistake. I went down and then up. Okay, do this one more time. And that'll be it, unless if I last a really, really short time. And up, and left, and up, and right, and... Okay, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I don't think I'm gonna beat my high score in this video since, like I said, it's been a long time since I've played. And because it's lagging now for some reason. Dang it. Well, that run was pretty short. But I have been recording for 10 minutes. I think I'll go to at least 12 minutes for this video, then end it. So, or until this run ends, whichever one happens first. And and up. Let's go. Get the coins, get the coins, get the coins. Get all the coins. Get the coins, 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 coins. Coins, coins, coins. Gotta get all the coins. They're all mine. All the coins are mine. Nobody gets any. They're all mine. These are my coins. Nobody gets any of my coins. More shoes. Yep. Jump. Flip. Super speed. Speed. Yes. Super speed. Bam. And, oh, jump. Right, left, not right. What am I saying? Okay, jetpack. I'm good. Oh gosh. Missed a lot of coins. Yes, long straight coin strip. Oh gosh, what am I doing? So much lag. Oh, it was a trap. Dang it. Well, I guess that's where I'll end the video, and I'll see you guys